Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. This tutorial series is just for basic coding because there are so many people who don't know basic coding. So I'm trying to give them a basic idea of the coding. And this tutorial, I will just tell you how to install the editor which we are going to work, as there are so many editors available, and I am working on C language, as I think C is the best language to start with any language. After C, if you learn C with my tutorial very efficiently, then I think you can learn other languages very easily. Now, let me start. So, this is my screen. Now, let's go to Google. Okay. Now, let's type here. Just type here Turbo C++. Okay, we are going to work on Turbo C++ editor, as I think this is the best editor for C and C++. So I will work on C, as C is the basic language and you will learn lot of things with C, because if you directly move to Python or Java, you can just apply built-in functions that they are available there, so you will not learn very efficiently. So for starting, as if you are a starter, then please start with C. It is the basic language and you will learn a lot of things here. So let me start. This is our first link. You have to click here. Any window you can download it for 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. 32 or 64-bit both can work here. Okay, now just click here for download. Just click here, as I have downloaded it firstly only, that I will not. You have to just click here and it will start downloading. Okay, you will get a zip file. Okay, but you have to extract it, then only you will get a setup. Like I will tell you, just go to your downloads where it where you are managing your downloading. Okay, now if you go to the downloads, as it is my downloads, you can see here a folder like Turbo C++, Turbo C 3.2, and you have to just extract it by right clicking here and then go to extract files and just choose the location where you want to extract it. Okay, now next thing, just close it, and I have extracted it on my desktop. You can see here I have extracted it and I got it like this. Now you will get here the setup and you can just download it, Turbo C++. Okay, I think you got it, how to download it or how to install it. Now install it and be ready for the next tutorial, because you are going to learn a lot of things. Now when you will download it, you will get a setup like this, Turbo C++, and just start it. Okay, just start it and just start Turbo C++. Okay, and you will work all the things here. Now I will tell about this setup or this editor more in the next video, and I will tell you a simple program, how to write a simple program in C in the next tutorial. So wait for it, and good luck for your future. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any update on my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.
Make the ground shake.